Hey guys, this is GS Fear, and I want to discuss something called streamer burnout. Now you might be asking, what is streamer burnout? Well, that's something that a lot of us face where we just kind of lose the will to stream for a little bit. We get really discouraged. There's a lot of reasons, but there's a lot of things we can also do to help each other out and just help ourselves out. So in this video, we're going to go over those. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. So the number one reason I would say that we all get kind of that streamer burnout, that discouragement, would be analytics. We're focusing too much on the analytics. We're focusing too much on the numbers. We're always about the followers. We're all about the sub counts. We're all about the donations. We're always about the numbers. And we're less about the actual genuine relationships we're building with these people that are watching us. These viewers that enjoy the hell out of our content. And everybody falls for it. We're always wanting to work towards a goal, which is typically a number. So honestly, there's pros and cons to the analytics. The pros could be, if you're doing really well with this certain game, analytics will show you, but it can also show you when you're doing a little bit lower. Now, there will be other videos that will discuss analytics more in depth, but just don't focus more on the numbers. Focus more on the relationships you're building with these people that are absolutely loving your content. Number two reason I would say that we really encounter some streamer burnout would be that we surround ourselves with negativity, whether it be negative stuff around your life or just negative friends. Now, of course, negativity really spreads like wildfire. You don't want it to spread. And what you have to do, you have to start surrounding yourself with positive people, and their positivity will start to wear off on you, to where eventually you'll be able to help a negative person become positive again. And I really think that would really solve a ton of streamer burnout. The reason number three I would say that we really get streamer burnt out is the fact that we don't maybe have somebody to really go to talk to this about, to where we can't just be like, okay, what am I doing wrong? I'm plummeting. My followers are just, they're dropping off like flies. My sub counts are halved, and I don't know what to do. You either need to get a close-knit group of friends, close-knit group of streamer friends, something. You need somebody to talk to about this, and streamer buddies are really good for that because chances are they've gone through it as well. And maybe they have somebody that they talk to, and it really helps you out in the long run. The reason number four I would say that we really get burnt out would have to be we're streaming too damn much. That's the thing. A lot of us think that, okay, we're streaming 7 days a week, we're available all the time, but that is false. The magic number is 4 to 5 days a week. Now, granted, 7 days a week works for some people, but I don't know about you. I have a life outside of Twitch and YouTube, whatever you stream on, maybe Mixer. But anyway, just don't stream as much. Stream 4 to 5 days, maybe 6 at the max if you're really feeling froggy, you know what I mean? So really just, I don't want to say don't devote as much time to it, just don't stream 7 days a week. And that is a very big problem when people are really starting off there. They're like, okay, I'm going to stream 7 days a week, this is going to be amazing. And they slowly start to grind their gears, and they start to backpedal. They're like, okay, I really need to step back. I need to start going to 6. Then like maybe 5 days a week. So really, just to take away here is stream 4 to 5 days a week. You'll be much happier. So the last reason I would say that people really get frustrated and just streamer burnt out would be probably the most irritating of all, audio and visual. Now, what can you do to fix your audio problems, your visual problems? It's as simple as this. You just have to look up some YouTubes, and that's it. Just some YouTube videos or a blog. Now, of course, there's tons and tons of channels out there that you can look up for anything from how to fix your C920 camera to how to get your Blue Yeti working perfectly, or your XLR mic. There's tons and tons of content out there. You just have to look it up. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on the notifications. Also, I do stream on Twitch, 8 p.m. to 11:30 p.m. EST, 5 days a week, all but about Tuesday and some Fridays, at twitch.tv/gsphere. Thank you so much, and I will catch you next time. See you later.